Let's draw a Brontosaurus. First, we draw those big eyes and a smiley face. He's having fun, just like us. And now its big long neck. Hey, something's missing, right? Let's color those big round eyes and color them black and let them shine with a little white circle. Okay, let's keep working on the body. Add a big round back and 2 legs with big nails and a long tail. Wait, I'm still forgetting something. How many legs does a dinosaur have? Yup, 4. Then we have to draw 2 more, with their nails too, of course. And finally, 3 spots in the belly line with some stripes. Right, you got it. Awesome! I had a great time, did you?